Hello, this is Joe DeSane with DeSane Associates, and today I'm going to give you 3 different renovations that we see provide the best return on your investment when it comes to selling your home. So number 1 and most obvious is the kitchen. A kitchen remodel can dramatically upgrade the appeal of your home as well as the value of your home. And of course, it could be as simple or as elaborate as you like. However, to maximize your return, a good rule of thumb is to keep your cost under 10% of the value of your home. The outcome of a good kitchen remodel, you can expect to see about an 85% return on your investment. Number 2 would be your bathrooms. A thorough bathroom remodeling project can cost thousands of dollars. However, it's definitely worth it. Not only will it pay for itself, but it should give you an added 80% return. And number 3 would be your deck or patio. Replacing or doing some upgrades to your deck or patio can cost anywhere from a few thousand to tens of thousands of dollars, depending on the size and what type of upgrades you want to do. And when looking at the return, you can expect a benefit in line with the kitchen and bathroom remodel of about 80%. These are just some of the top remodeling projects in terms to the return on your investment. Clearly, some products will make more sense for your home than others. However, if you're considering selling your home, then just one of these projects could add tens of thousands of dollars to the price that you're going to be able to get. To get an idea of what your home is worth in the current market without these renovations, click on the home value link below. And if you want some additional advice about which remodeling projects make sense for you and would add the most value, give me a call at 561-320-2085, and we could discuss these things in more detail, and I could give you a good estimate on what to expect. Thank you for watching this video, and have a good day.